Today I'm not cooking any recipe but sharing how to wash, clean and remove fishy smell from the fresh squid. The ingredients needed are 1.5 kilograms of fresh squid, some ice block, 4 tablespoons of salt and 6 tablespoons of tapioca flour. The full list of the ingredients is in the see more link. First, let's talk about choosing fresh squid. I normally pick the one that are still white with less purple spot on the skin like this. Compare these two pieces. This squid skin is darker purple because it is slowly losing its freshness. When compared, this squid still looks fresh. A round body is an indication that the inside are not smashed. When pressed, the body should be solid and firm. The head and body are intact, the ink sac is still intact, and there are no trace of leakage. Make sure the eyes are not broken or smashed on both sides. To keep the squid fresh while we are cleaning, I like to put some ice block on it, like this. Now let's clean the squid. Prepare another basin filled with ice block to slow down the deterioration rate. Slowly pull out the head and the stomach. Gently separate the ink sac. Try not to break it as the black ink is very messy and can contaminate the rest of the squid body part. Discard it, cut off the innards and discard it. Then use the tip of the small knife to push out the beak. Discard it. Cut below the eye and press to remove both eyes. Alright, done for the head. For the body part, pull out the cutter bone and discard it. Remove the skin. Add the tip here between the fins and body. Pick up the thin layer of the skin. Twist it and pull it down. This is also an easy way to detach the fin from the body. Look, now we have a clean and white squid. For the fin, slowly peel off and remove the skin like this. Put it on the ice together with the body. Continue with the rest of the squid until finished. Alright, these are the squid that we have cleaned with skin removed. Let's wash them. Put the squid in the basin and rinse it with water. Put all the salt on the squid and gently rub it for about 20 to 30 seconds. This helps to remove the fishy smell on the squid and clean off the sliminess too. Rinse off the salt water from the squid for about 3 to 4 times. The first rinse will usually have a lot of bubbles. Continue to wash and rinse it for a few more times to ensure that salt is totally washed out. Alright, this is the third wash. The squid looks really clean. Rinse off the water. Next, sprinkle the tapioca flour on the squid. Rub the flour on the squid for 20 to 30 seconds to remove the fishy smell and also makes the texture firm and nice to eat. Alright, this should be enough. Rinse off for 3 to 4 times until clean and no more flour stuck on the squid. After the third wash, this should be enough. Rinse off the water and we are done. Now the squid looks super clean and fresh. It can be used to cook anything as preferred: stir fry, deep fry, soup, salad, etc. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.